This is my coconut that I'm making for my rice and peas. I'm cutting up. You cut up the coconut like this. This is 2 coconuts. You can also use coconut milk, but I like the original way. I'm going to blend this and make my coconut milk. So I'll show you what's going on later. Thank you. So I'm juicing my coconut milk. If you look, you see some milk here to make my rice and peas. So I cut the coconut as small as possible and blend it. And you squeeze
with your hands.
Your milk with your you squeeze out your milk just like this. You use warm water. Right now I'm squeezing it and it's very warm, because when you use warm water you get all the milk out. So that's what I'm doing right now.
And make sure you wash your hands.
Squeezing out the milk. Yes, baby, wash your hands. That's very important. Hand washing is very important when you're cooking. Very important. So you squeeze your milk and see how much milk you can get out of this. Then you're going to cook it down with your peas. As I told you, I cook my peas already. You don't cook your peas too long, like cook it too soft, you know, because you're going to cook it down in your milk. So you have a very delicious rice and peas. So I'm cooking my rice and peas, as I told you, and now I'm going to put my coconut milk right up into my peas. My peas is not fully cooked. It need a little more. Let me show you here. I need a little more to be really soft. So I'm going to let it cook down in this, but in the meantime I'm going to season it with, I'm going to put some brown sugar and some garlic. You mash your garlic. I have a piece of paper towel here, and you mash your garlic and you put it in. And you can put a little piece of onion in there. You can also put a little piece of bell pepper if you want, but I have my Scotch bonnet or any other regular I've washed, and I'm going to put some thyme. I like to put a lot of thyme in my rice and peas. And now I have my scallion. You mash it so that it's better able to extract all the fragrance. If you mash it like this instead of putting it whole, you just mash your scallion and you put it in. Oops. And your salt. Don't forget your salt. You put in your salt and you taste it to see if it needs. That's good. And you let this cook down for a while, then you're going to add your rice, and then you have your rice and peas. I'll show you as we continue on my rice and peas. So I'm washing my rice for my rice and peas, and I wash it more than once. Make sure my rice is clean, and I strain it off and wash it again. And then I'm going to transfer it to the pot that has the peas with the coconut milk with seasoning boiling. So I wash again. Cold water. Make sure your rice is clean. Your rice is clean when you don't see the white again. When it's not that white, you know, you wash it properly, because you don't know where your rice is coming from. Just look clean now. So it's about 5 pounds of rice, so you have to judge how much water, how much peas and coconut water you have there, so you can know how much rice. But today is a holiday and I'm cooking for my family. I'm at my parents' house, and now we're going to transfer rice home. See how this is bubbling? I want to transfer it. So to the peas, to the coconut milk. You should test your peas and coconut milk if you're having enough salt. With your seasoning. And my grandmother showed me a trick. If the rice, when you put it in your rice, and if the rice is a little above the water, then you don't have to take out any of the water. Maybe you have the right amount of rice for the liquid, right amount of liquid for the rice. And you could take out your thyme at this time. Before you put in your coconut milk, you could take out your thyme, and you can also take it out now. So you try to get all of the rice out. And I'm coming there in 1 sec. I'm gonna get a fork. And then you get your fork and you stir. And I'm gonna take out, like, I take out this because they already cook in the seasoning. So I take out my scallion and my thyme like this. You know, you can take it out. Some people leave it in there. Depends. It's all up to you what you want. But I like to take it out from now. I might not get everything, but I take it out. Also the pepper. If you put like the pepper in there, you can take it out, because sometimes you have small children and you don't want it to burst. So you take out your pepper. You could take it out before you put the rice or after, like this. It's okay. And as much as you can. You don't have to take out everything. But this is the way it goes in one Honeybell kitchen. And I'm just stirring, and then you taste. If you have enough salt, you could just, you know, like this. It's good. Cover and simmer. I want to show you how my rice and peas is going now. The water is all sucked in. The peas and coconut water and the seasoning. So I'm going to cover it so it can steam, and turn my burner down low. And then I show you what's going on later. And close it. You know, seal it. Make sure there's no air going in. And I'll show you what's going on later. Yeah. Yes, friends, welcome back to my videos. And I want to show you what's going on with my rice and peas. So I put the foil over it so it can steam, and I turn down the stove. And let's see. Wow, it looks so good, Durante. It looks good. And so you know, you can just take your fork and kind of turn it, and you know, mix up your peas. But it looks good and it smells good. Such a wonderful rice and peas. Yes. My rice and peas is ready. It's ready. So subscribe and like and hit the notification bell, and follow us on Instagram. Rice and peas. Yeah.